Alright y'all, so as you can probably tell from the title of the video, the RSX did get into an accident. I got into an accident. The car, I'm not gonna say it's total or anything, but it is fixable. I'm gonna show you guys what happened in a bit and describe to you guys and explain to you guys what happened to me and what happened to the car. So you guys can probably tell it looks pretty fine to me, you know what I'm saying? It looks pretty fine on this side, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah. I mean, it don't look that bad, right? It don't look that bad, right? Guys, right? It don't look that bad. I got hit on the side right here. I can tell right here. A Mustang actually hit me. He lost control and swerved into my car, and this is how it happened. Luckily, nothing else got hit other than just this part. Luckily, the A-spec lip, I'm just gonna show you guys now, since you're not gonna be able to see this car for a little bit. Luckily, the A-spec lip, it didn't get hit, nothing, so yeah, I'm lucky for that. That's funny that the bumper tab's still there, but yeah, this fender's all smushed in, all fucked up, but it is what it is. Look, it's all misaligned. Put a whole ass finger up in that bitch. But yeah, RPF ones did get fucked up too. Look at that shit. Look at that fucking shit, bruh. What the fuck, bruh? God damn it. God damn it. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bruh? I'm perfectly fine. Like, hey, I got no injuries. That's all I'm saying. A car is just a car, but 2 years with this thing, building it up to what it is now, it really hurts. It hurts my heart, and just seeing it look like this is just so, like, I don't know, bruh. I can't. It hurts a lot. But she is going to make a comeback, hopefully. Hopefully the insurance doesn't deem it as totaled. I don't think it's total. I mean, shit, like, no airbags deployed on my seat, the side right here. I mean, I do got, like, you know, that, but it did not deploy, you know what I'm saying? I really hope that this isn't going to be a bad journey for the RSX. Hopefully it'll be back again soon, and I still got my hopes up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not really tripping off of it. The dude that actually hit me, it ain't even his car, it's a rental. He's not even from here. But yeah, just be careful when you're driving, guys, especially in the rain. This happened in the rain while it was raining, and I'm just at a loss of words. Like, holy shit, like, oh my god. It's sad seeing my car look like this. Hey, the fitment though? Okay, the fitment though? You know what I'm saying? The fitment? But it's just the fender. I should be able to be taken off pretty easily. Door, I can take that off easily. This was like that when I got into the accident, but you know, you just pop that bitch out, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, here's another look at it. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Ricky, for fucking up your wheels again. I'll buy it off of you. You know what I'm saying? And the tires got fucked. Like, I don't know. Like, it got scraped all over. And hopefully there's no frame damage. Hopefully, like, none of the frame got pushed in, which I hope not, because, like, the only thing it hit was this part, and then it just smushed in. So yeah, I can't even fucking open the door fully. Look at this shit. This is all I can go. Motherfucker, this all I can go. Like, I'm pulling, and it's all I can go. So yeah, the RSX is going to be down for a little bit. I still got things planned for this car. and hopefully it doesn't get deemed as totaled, which I hope not, which I'm pretty sure is not going to be. But if it is, then it is the end of the road for the RSX. So I'm keeping my hopes up. So yeah, the only way I can get through this door perfectly fine is this door. And wow. Mind you, the car is perfectly fine, like motor wise and like drivable wise. The alignment's all fucked up right now, but that's all I can say. A lot of memories have been made in this car, and hopefully I can continue with these memories and make new ones in this car as well. I wanted to keep this car forever and not sell it, probably give it to my brother if I'm tired of it, which I'm not. And yeah, it just sucks. Like, I was just on the way to pick up my homies and this shit happens. So just be careful out there when you guys are driving in the rain, especially. And I almost lost 2 people from car accidents, and that was the last thing I've ever thought it would happen to me. And yeah, just be careful out there. I can't stress that enough. So please be careful when you're driving. Drive slow, especially in the rain, and just be careful out there. Just look around, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I can't really do nothing about the car, so it is what it is. The insurance is on the way to pick it up right now to see if it is fixable or not, which I'm pretty sure it is. I have my hopes up that this car will be back pretty soon. And it's just sad seeing it like this, bruh, like on the side of the road and seeing that thing. Oh my god. Whatever. It isn't going to be the end of the RSX. I have a lot of things planned for it, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be deemed as totaled. So all I can do right now is wait and see what they're gonna say. And if it is not deemed totaled and they're gonna give me money for it, like, you know, a couple G's, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, the RSX is going to be coming back even stronger than before. It is going to be a whole new look. Like, I'm telling you this, I have a lot of stuff planned once it comes back. So yeah, the channel is still gonna be going strong even when the car is down. And yeah, all we can do is hope for the best, and that's all I can say. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's AronRSX signing out. Peace.